Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on VIVO V30. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and then click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click not now. Now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And here you can allow this app to send notifications or not. And now, as you can see, my Microsoft Edge is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.